evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. T. And on behalf of Dr. Jack Hawkins Jr., Chancellor of Troy University, we proudly present the Troy University Sound of the South Marching Band. Under the field command of drum major John Taylor and Portland Willis, and director of band Dr. Mark Walker. We're proud to have the opportunity to perform to you tonight, and we welcome our friends from the University of South Alabama. So sit back and relax. Here's the sound of the South! Tonight, we feature the music of one of the most famous and respected women of Motown. There is no mistaking the soulful sound of Diana Ross. Ladies and gentlemen, the sound of the South!